Welcome to AI Toolverse. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's already transforming the way we work, learn, and create. Today, we'll explore 10 of the most powerful AI agents leading this revolution. Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that your work is already done. Your emails have been answered, your meetings are organized, and your research is complete all before you've had your morning coffee. This isn't science fiction anymore. In 2026, artificial intelligence is doing far more than answering questions. We're entering a new era where intelligent AI agents can think, plan, automate tasks, and help us accomplish more than ever before. From businesses to content creators and students, AI agents are changing the way people work every single day. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, they're helping users save time, stay organized, and focus on what really matters. But not every AI tool offers the same capabilities. Some are built for research, some for automation, and others for productivity. In this video, we'll explore 10 of the most powerful AI agents that are shaping the future of work. Let's begin with our first AI agent, ChatGPT Agent Mode. OpenAI is moving beyond conversations and into intelligent action. ChatGPT Agent Mode is designed to research information, organize complex tasks, and work across multiple tools to help solve real-world problems. Instead of simply responding to prompts, it can break larger tasks into smaller steps, organize information, and help you complete projects more efficiently. Imagine asking your AI assistant to prepare a detailed market analysis while you're busy with another task. It can gather information, summarize key findings, and help organize everything into a clear plan. Next, we have Claude AI. Built for deep thinking and advanced reasoning, Claude excels at understanding large amounts of information. Whether you're writing reports, analyzing documents, or solving complex problems, it delivers thoughtful and well-structured responses. Imagine turning hours of reading into just a few minutes of intelligent analysis. Claude can summarize lengthy documents, explain difficult concepts, and help you understand information much faster. Its ability to maintain context makes it especially useful for writers, researchers, students, and professionals who work with detailed documents every day. Our third AI agent is Google Gemini. Built into Google's ecosystem, Gemini helps users work smarter across Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Drive, and other workspace apps. Instead of switching between different tools, you can write emails, summarize long documents, analyze spreadsheets, and generate ideas from one intelligent assistant. It understands the context of your work, making everyday tasks faster and more organized. For students, professionals, and businesses already using Google Workspace, Gemini feels like a natural extension of the tools they rely on every day. Our fourth AI agent is Perplexity AI. Unlike traditional search engines that display endless links, Perplexity gives you direct answers backed by reliable sources and citations. It gathers information from multiple trusted websites, summarizes the key points, and lets you verify the original sources whenever you need them. Whether you're researching a new topic, comparing products, preparing a report, or learning a new skill, Perplexity dramatically reduces the time spent searching while improving the quality of your research. Our fifth AI agent is Lindy AI. Think of it as a digital employee that works around the clock without getting tired. Lindy can organize your inbox, schedule meetings, follow up with clients, answer routine requests, and automate repetitive business tasks. Imagine finishing your day while your AI assistant continues handling administrative work in the background. Instead of spending hours on routine operations, you can focus on creativity, strategy, and growing your business. Our sixth AI agent is Zapier AI agents. Zapier already connects thousands of applications, but AI agents make those automations even smarter. They can monitor workflows, trigger actions automatically, and move information between different apps without manual effort. Imagine a customer placing an order, your team receiving a notification, an invoice being created, and a follow-up email being sent, all within seconds and without anyone touching a keyboard. That's the power of intelligent automation. Our seventh AI agent is N8N AI agents. Designed for developers, businesses, and automation enthusiasts, N8N offers complete flexibility for building advanced AI workflows. Its open-source platform allows you to connect APIs, automate business processes, and create custom AI systems that match your exact requirements. Whether you're building internal tools, automating research, or managing complex operations, N8N gives you full control instead of limiting you to pre-built templates. For users who want powerful customization, it's one of the strongest automation platforms available today. Our eighth AI agent is Relevance AI. Instead of relying on a single assistant, Relevance AI allows multiple AI agents to work together as an intelligent team. One agent can answer customer questions while another analyzes business data, creates reports, or manages internal workflows. This approach helps companies automate more complex operations without increasing manual effort. As businesses continue adopting AI, platforms like Relevance AI are showing what the future workplace could look like, where intelligent agents collaborate to complete real work faster and more efficiently. Our ninth AI agent is Make AI agents. Built around a visual workflow builder, Make allows users to create powerful automations without writing complex code. You can connect different apps, AI models, and online services into one intelligent workflow that runs automatically. Whether it's managing customers, publishing content, processing data, or handling daily business operations, Make keeps everything connected while saving valuable time. It proves that advanced automation can be both powerful and easy to use. Our 10th and final AI agent is Notion AI. Often described as an AI-powered second brain, Notion combines note-taking, project management, document creation, and intelligent organization in one workspace. It can summarize meetings, generate content, organize ideas, and help teams find important information instantly. Instead of switching between multiple productivity apps, everything stays organized in one place. For creators, startups, and growing teams, Notion AI is becoming an essential tool for managing both knowledge and productivity. So, which AI agent is the right choice for you? If your work depends on research and reliable information, Perplexity AI is an excellent option. For writing, document analysis, and advanced reasoning, Claude AI continues to stand out. If you're already working inside Google's ecosystem, Gemini offers a seamless experience. Lindy, Zapier, and Make are ideal for automating repetitive business tasks, while N8N gives advanced users complete flexibility to build custom workflows. And if you're looking for a powerful all-round assistant, ChatGPT Agent Mode remains one of the strongest choices available today. The real advantage isn't choosing only one tool. Many professionals combine several AI agents together, creating workflows that save hours every week while improving both speed and productivity. This is AI Toolverse, where we explore the world's most powerful AI tools and the technologies shaping tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next AI deep dive. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future has already begun and this is only the beginning.